Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do you have enough healthy foods for a short-term emergency? The coronavirus pandemic indicates most people were not prepared. In this video, I'll share why you should have basic cooking skills, stocking your pantry for emergencies, simple breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes, and some healthy snack foods. Studies indicate 60% of the American diet is prepared foods. That includes restaurant meals. Millions of people don't want to cook or don't know how to cook. For many, that means surviving on sandwiches and other simple foods. Foods that are high in calories and low in nutrition. It doesn't take a lot of time or effort to learn basic cooking and baking skills. Basic home cooking means you are not dependent on high-sodium prepared foods loaded with chemical additives. You can eat healthier while stretching your food budget. To prepare for emergencies, stock up on foods that do not require refrigeration. Frozen meals are convenient, but they take up more space and require uninterrupted power to prevent spoilage. Unless you own a large freezer, home freezers can only hold a few days or weeks worth of meals. There are many foods that last months or years without refrigeration or freezing. Here are some foods with a shelf life of 1 year or more without refrigeration. They include dried pasta and rice, canned vegetables, flour, sugar, salt, pepper, and spices. Optimum flavor for ground spices and open bottles of extract is about 6 months, but most are usable 1 year or more. Non-iodized salt has an infinite shelf life. Iodized salt has about a 5-year shelf life, and whole peppercorns between 1 to 3 years. Cooking oils will last about 1 year unopened at room temperature and 1 to 2 years unopened and refrigerated. Open bottles have about a 6-month shelf life at room temperature and about 12 months refrigerated. A rancid odor indicates cooking oils have oxidized and should be discarded. Most canned foods have a shelf life of 1 to 3 years. A manufacturer's expiration or use-by dates are for optimum quality and not discard dates. Many countries depend on an uninterrupted supply of electricity. You should stock some bottled water in the event municipal or well water supplies are shut down or contaminated. Optimum quality for bottled water is about 6 months. Frozen foods with a shelf life of 1 year or more include fruits and vegetables, shelled nuts, uncooked whole poultry, vacuum-sealed meats, and whole and grated hard cheeses. Vacuum-sealed foods prevent moisture loss and freezer burn and will retain optimum quality for 1 year or more. Foods that can be frozen for 6 months or more include fresh meats that are not vacuum sealed, uncooked poultry parts, bacon and cured meats, and uncooked wild game. Foods that can be frozen 3 to 6 months include breads and muffins, cookies and cakes, raw ground meat and poultry, cooked soups and stews, and cooked tomato sauce. Oatmeal and other cooked grains have been a breakfast staple for hundreds of years. Oatmeal can be prepared hundreds of ways. All you need are a few simple ingredients like fruit, nuts, spices, and sweeteners. You can add granola or nuts for a crunchy texture. One of my most popular videos was for homemade muffins. Muffins are simple and you can make more varieties than store-bought muffins. Homemade muffins have little or no chemical additives and no preservatives. They can be frozen for later use. Eggs are a good source of protein and remain fresh refrigerated up to 4 weeks after purchase. They can be prepared and served dozens of ways, or used to make breads, muffins, salads, and casseroles. Eggs are not just for breakfast. You can serve them for lunch or dinner. You can make easy scrambled eggs with your favorite meat or vegetables, or a variety of omelets. Sandwiches are simple to prepare and offer a wide variety. Tuna salad is easy to make and more nutritious than preserved meats. If you're cutting bread carbs, you can eat it plain or substitute lettuce leaves. You can cut calories by omitting mayonnaise. Chicken soup may not cure colds and flu, but is simple to make and nutritious. Broths will keep you hydrated, but are not filling or nutritious. Soups are easy to make, and some can be frozen. Vegetable and pasta soups degrade when frozen due to ice crystal formation. Meat and bean chilies can be frozen for later use. With a few simple ingredients, you can make a wide variety of soups. Many soups are high in fiber and protein. They are healthy comfort foods that can easily feed a whole family on a limited budget. Simple stews are also filling and easy to make. You can make soups and stews using your stove or unattended using a slow cooker. Slow cookers are convenient when you don't have time for stovetop cooking. Recipes using one pan are simple and require less time and effort. You can also use a wide variety of ingredients to create simple stir-fried meals. A few ingredients and a baking dish is all you need for this easy recipe that serves 4 to 6 people. During stressful times, it's easy snacking on high-calorie comfort foods like candy and cookies. Healthier alternatives include whole grain popcorn, but avoid high-fat and calorie microwave varieties. Buy less expensive popcorn kernels and pop your own for a quick, healthy snack. Nuts and seeds are a filling snack food, but they are also high in calorie, so eat them in moderation. Fresh or canned fruit are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense snack food. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.